Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you here. Today we're diving into an essential topic that affects all of us, cybersecurity. In this digital age where we do so much online, knowing how to protect yourself from hackers and data breaches is crucial. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to keep your personal information safe and secure. Whether you're browsing social media, shopping online, or just sending emails, it's important to stay informed about the potential risks and the best practices to mitigate them. So let's get started. What is cybersecurity? First things first, let's talk about what cybersecurity really is. In simple terms, cybersecurity is all about protecting your digital information from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. With the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing number of devices connected to the internet, the amount of sensitive data we store online has grown exponentially. This data can include anything from personal emails and financial information to private photos and documents. As we rely more on the internet for our daily activities, understanding cybersecurity becomes essential in safeguarding our digital lives. The digital landscape is vast and ever-evolving, which brings with it a myriad of risks. Did you know that there are over 4.7 billion internet users around the globe? That's nearly 60% of the world's population. With such a massive number of people online, the opportunities for cybercriminals to exploit vulnerabilities are increasing. Research shows that about 30% of small businesses experience cyber attacks each year, and many of these attacks can have devastating effects. For instance, a successful cyber attack can lead to significant financial losses, damaged reputation, and even the complete shutdown of a business. Therefore, it's crucial for individuals and businesses alike to take proactive steps in understanding and implementing cybersecurity measures to protect themselves and their valuable information. Types of cyber threats. Now that we have a grasp of what cybersecurity is, let's take a closer look at the different types of cybersecurity threats you might encounter in your online activities. One of the most common threats is phishing, which involves receiving fake emails or messages designed to trick you into providing sensitive information, like passwords or credit card numbers. These messages can often look very legitimate, featuring official logos and professional language, making it easy to fall into the trap. Phishing can also occur through text messages, a tactic known as SMS phishing or smishing, and even through phone calls where attackers impersonate trusted entities. In addition to phishing, malware represents another significant threat to cybersecurity. Malware, short for malicious software, is designed to harm your computer or device and can take many forms, including viruses, worms, trojans, and spyware. Once installed, malware can steal your personal data, corrupt files, and even give hackers remote control over your device. Then there's ransomware, a particularly nefarious type of malware that locks your files and demands payment in exchange for unlocking them. Hackers may also resort to password attacks, where they attempt to guess or crack your passwords using various techniques. Finally, data breaches can occur when hackers gain unauthorized access to systems and databases, leading to the exposure of sensitive information. These threats can lead to serious consequences, including financial loss and identity theft, making it essential for everyone to stay informed and vigilant in safeguarding their online presence. How hackers operate. So, how exactly do hackers operate? They use various tactics to manipulate individuals and exploit systems. Here are a few common methods they employ. Social engineering, which involves tricking people into revealing their personal information. Hackers might pose as trustworthy figures, like tech support or a colleague, to gain your trust and get what they want. Another tactic is SQL injection, where hackers exploit vulnerabilities in websites to access sensitive information by inserting malicious code into a website's database. Then there's cross-site scripting, XSS, which occurs when hackers inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by other users, potentially stealing their data. Experts say that understanding these tactics is vital because many times hackers use psychological tricks to manipulate their victims. Being aware of these tactics can help you recognize potential threats before it's too late. Protecting yourself online. Now that we know about the threats, let's discuss some simple yet effective ways you can protect yourself online. Here are 5 tips to get you started. First, use strong passwords. Make sure your passwords are unique and complex, utilizing a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like birthdays or common words. Second, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts, ensuring that even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your account without a second verification step. Third, keep your software up to date. Regularly updating your software helps patch vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Be cautious with emails by always verifying the sender before clicking any links or downloading attachments. Lastly, use VPNs for a more secure internet connection, especially when browsing on public Wi-Fi. Experts also recommend using password managers and regularly monitoring your accounts for suspicious activity to significantly reduce your risk. Staying safe in the digital world. In addition to the tips we just covered, here are some more important strategies to staying safe online. First, verify websites before sharing any personal information. Always check for HTTPS in the website URL and look for trusted security certificates, which show that the site is secure. Second, use secure networks. Avoid accessing sensitive information over public Wi-Fi, and instead use a private network whenever possible to keep your data safe. Third, make sure to update your browser regularly. Keeping your web browser up to date is crucial, as the latest versions come with improved security features that help protect your online activity. Lastly, monitor your accounts by regularly checking your bank and social media accounts for any suspicious activity. Cybersecurity tools for your defense. Another crucial aspect of protecting yourself online is leveraging cybersecurity tools and resources. There are various software solutions available that can significantly enhance your security. Antivirus programs can detect and eliminate malware, while firewall software can help block unauthorized access to your devices. Additionally, there are cybersecurity awareness platforms that offer courses and resources to educate users on best practices for online safety. Familiarizing yourself with these tools not only helps you protect your data, but also empowers you to take control of your online experience. Remember, the more knowledgeable you are about available resources, the better equipped you will be to defend against cyber threats. And that's a wrap. You now have a solid understanding of the basics of cybersecurity threats, and more importantly, how to protect yourself from them. Remember, staying safe online is a continuous process, and being informed is your best defense. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and information. Don't forget to follow us on social media for updates and additional content. Thank you for joining us today, and stay safe online.